Congratulations to Bafana Bafana. Danko Bafana Bafana. We are through to the next round. Thank you for making us proud. I hope Ugos in Canada, so it destroy as we did with South Korea. Thank you, Bafetu, for making through to the next round. Thank you so much, Bafetu. As you know, guys, I have huge updates for Ikeza Chiefs. Have officially confirmed the exits of Uhappy Mashiane. They also confirmed the newly appointed goalkeeper coach. You will surprise to find out who really is Bafetu. He's an exciting, experienced coach, Bafetu. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel and make sure to subscribe and watch the whole video. With that said, Bafetu, let's just jump straight to the video together.
Talk about a man on fire. Tactics. You're there, ball.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Consistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa phe. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Great Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa phe. As you know bafethu, this channel I will keep you updated every day. Mangithola indaba, I will come and post about it, especially makweze Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. I told you with video ayizolo ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will be doing clearances. And then they'll go on with signing new players, and also there will be huge announcements within the week and also next week or so. So bafethu kwenzekile namhlanje, and I'll get into details more with it because firstly I want to before I say this news, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and also comment down below ukuthi ucabanga nge-content enginiphathele yona namhlanje bafethu. So I just want to say my huge congratulations to South Africa for making it through to the next round. Thank you, Bafetu. We are proud of you as South Africans. Please continue making us proud. Please shine even more, Bafetu. This is history. This is what South African football is made of, Bafetu. Please make sure you win against Canada. Thank you, Bafetu. Thank you, Bafana Bafana. Now, let's jump straight into Kaizer Chiefs news, Bafetu, because this channel is for Kaizer Chiefs specifically. Bafetu, Kaizer Chiefs have officially confirmed the exit of Uhappy Mashiane, who joined Kaizer Chiefs from 2019. Bafetu, angazi noma I'm not sad because we are losing a good player, but I'm sad because he's our boy. He's our boy. He's been there. He's been fighting, but his career at Kaizer Chiefs, it wasn't that good. Same as George Matlos, but Uhappy Mashiane was close to our hearts. We wish him all nothing but all the best, Bafetu. I hope he will find a good team to groom him, and hopefully he won't get injuries and get a good playing time, Bafetu. Let's hope so, Bafetu. But Quintwana, good luck on your career, and thank you for being a loyal Kaizer Chiefs player for so many years, Uhappy Mashiane. But ever since that game against Al Ahly, final Bafetu, the mistake he made, he never became himself again. He never became the Mashiane we knew. I think akakutholanga ukukhuthazwa kakhulu, itherapy akayitholanga kakhulu, but that thing affected him for so long, Bafetu. But let's hope ukuthi he can revive his career somewhere else, fresh starts for Uhappy Mashiane. As we all know, he was on loan kwisiwelele, but Isiwelele have released him, and also Kaizer Chiefs have released him as a free agent. Talking about a player who's been as loan Kusiwelele, another player who's been there from Kaizer Chiefs is Uzwane, Samkelo Zwane, not Themba Zwane, Usamkelo Zwane, Bafetu, our other development. Naye he is kind of having a not good era with Kaizer Chiefs, Bafetu. We've been hoping ukuthi he will come around, but we don't know. I don't know anything about him yet. What I know is that he's back at Naturena. He will be training with the team. He will go with the team to the preseason camp, and let's hope he will improve and then impress the coaches abazofika abasha, and then maybe we'll take it there. He can play, he can get a game time lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, and hopefully he can improve himself, or he's maybe he will be another one exiting Kaizer Chiefs, but I haven't heard anything yet from the sources anywhere, bafethu. As we speak right now, Samkelo Zwane is a Kaizer Chiefs player, back from loan lapha kuSiwelele. Although he didn't get enough time, we thought he will get lapha kuSiwelele playing time, but yeah, he's back. Let's hope he will perform and bring out what we knew as fans, because we know what Samkelo Zwane has a good potential and he's a good player. Let's see where his future lies. For now, he's a Kaizer Chiefs player. Bafethu-ke, other news that Kaizer Chiefs have announced the new goalkeeper coach, who's 44 years old. His name is Olivier Sorin, from France. They've signed him for a 2 years contract with an option to extend. So I think they really trust this guy. I'm not sure if he was appointed by Fernando de Cruz, but yeah, he's here and he seems exciting because he's been working at France top flights. He worked with goalkeepers like Edward Mendy and also Steve Mandanda. Those goalkeepers are the top goalkeepers, and even more. Buffets there were even more. He was born in France. He knows French league more. Yeah, he joined Stade Rennais FC and spent 12 years there, bafethu, from 2017 until now 2026. You can see ukuthi he's been a trusted man laphana eFrance ku-Stade Rennais FC, but now Kaizer Chiefs have managed to get him. I think that's a huge upgrade with Kaizer Chiefs. I think he will come with an experience, and also I think he will work closely with Fernando de Cruz. He will not be just a goalkeeper coach, but he will work. He will bring his experience lapha with Kaizer Chiefs. I hope his character is more like Iles Muzaki, Brasisu. Let's hope he's also there's hyper and will love the boys. But the experience that he will bring Bafesu is galore. I'm happy. I thought they would take the tough guy again, the other guy who is Moose. I'm not sure the goalkeeper coach for the development team. I was so sure was, yeah, we are going back to that guy again. But I thank God Kaizer Chiefs have made the right decision and brought the one of the best experiences we've ever had lapha Kaizer Chiefs, either on players or coaching staff or technical team. His experience will be working in hand for Kaizer Chiefs. Guys, trust me, he wants to be developing a good character on goalkeepers, but I think he will also have impact on players themselves. So, Bafesu, let's hope he will do a good job, and let's welcome him with warm hands. Yeah, Bafesu, lento engihlezi ngisho, if even if ucoach asimfuni, even if the player we don't like him, but as long as iChiefs simsignile and announce him, he's our new family. We just have to welcome him, love him, and support him, Bafethu. So yeah, that's all the updates I have for you today, Bafethu. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, because kusazoshuba ngampela bafethu is only starting now to get heated, but kusazoba nzima kakhulu. There will be more updates, more players exiting, painful ones, I know, ukuthi amanye amajita asesey'nhlizweni zethu, but there will be more players moving away from Chiefs, and then new players will also be arriving at Kaizer Chiefs, trust me. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko bafethu.